Hi everyone! So for today's recipe, we're gonna cook teriyaki pork stir fry. So you can find two main ingredients in www.karmanfoods.com. It's the #1 curated Asian food grocer and the ultimate place for your Asian needs. We can provide Asian ethnic food ingredients and deliver it to your doorstep. We have Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and Southeast Asian ingredients. So for the first main ingredient, we have here the Kikkoman soy sauce. So Kikkoman soy sauce is an all-purpose seasoning made from soybeans, wheat, water, and salt. This soy sauce is aged for several months to achieve the rich and appetizing flavor. It can be used to pan-fry meats, vegetables, and seafoods. Our second main ingredient is the Kikkoman teriyaki based and glaze. So, it is a teriyaki flavor with a sweet and savory twist, blended from traditionally brewed soy sauce, honey, pineapple concentrate, premium wine, and Asian seasonings. It can be used right from the bottle or brush it on meats, poultry, seafoods, and vegetables. For the complete ingredients of the teriyaki pork stir fry, we have here 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic clove, minced, 1 teaspoon of ginger, minced, our protein, 200 grams of pork, our vegetables, 1 cup of carrot, 1 cup of red bell pepper, and 1 cup of green bell pepper, and 1 cup of broccoli. And of course, we're gonna season it with our 1 tablespoon of Kikkoman soy sauce, and our second main ingredient, 1 tablespoon of teriyaki based and glaze. And we're gonna have this for our sauce, 1/4 cup of water, and finally topped it with 1 teaspoon of black sesame seeds. Let's get cooking! Now let's cook our pork teriyaki stir fry. So make sure that the pan is hot. Once it's hot, add the olive oil. Swirl the pan to coat the bottom of the pan with oil. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic and the ginger. Saute the garlic and ginger for a minute until it's fragrant. Then add the pork. Stir fry the pork with garlic and ginger for 3 to 5 minutes or until the pork is cooked already. Allow it to cook. Once the pork is cooked already, we can add the vegetables. Broccoli. And now mix the vegetables with pork. Increase the heat and now add the water. You can add 1/4 to 1/2 cup of water. Mix it again. Now we can add our first main ingredient, the Kikkoman soy sauce. And the second main ingredient, the Kikkoman teriyaki based and glazed. Mix the vegetable and pork with the main ingredients. Make sure that the sauce are evenly distributed. Now we can cover it to evenly cook the vegetable and the pork. After 5 minutes, We can now check if the pork and vegetables are cooked. So yeah, it's cooked already. By the way, I added another tablespoon of the teriyaki based and glaze for extra flavor. Now our teriyaki pork stir fry is ready. Now our teriyaki pork stir fry is ready. We can top it with black sesame seeds. And serve it with steamed rice. So again, we use two main ingredients, the Kikkoman soy sauce and the Kikkoman teriyaki based and glazed. So, you can visit www.karmansfoods.com. Our selection are constantly growing, and if you have any suggestion, please email us at our website. Happy eating!
Enjoy. Bye bye.